Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your Google search history using either a phone or a computer. So first, open up your web browser on your phone or computer and go to google.com, or you can open the app. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and tap or click on your profile icon. Your Google search history is tied directly to your Google account. So make sure you are signed into the correct account before proceeding. Once you're in the right account, select Manage your Google account. From here, scroll until you find the Data and Privacy section and open it. On a computer, this option will usually appear in the menu on the left hand side. Now scroll down until you see Web and App Activity and tap on it. So if you see Google, tap on that. So this page will show all of your recent Google searches and activity. If you only wanted to remove individual searches, you can delete them one by one. But if you want to clear everything, tap the delete option in the top right and choose delete all time. So Google may ask which services you want included in the deletion. You can choose just Google search, or you can select all available services if you want to remove everything connected to your Google activity. Press next, then confirm by tapping delete. Your Google account search history will be cleared successfully. Tap on got it, and that's basically it. That's how you can delete Google history on your phone or on your computer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.